Hi everyone, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. I wanted to come on today to share with you some super sweet happy mail that I received from my friend Susan. Hi Susan! So I have known Susan for quite a while. She was one of my very first pocket letter pals, Jeanette Lane's pocket letter pals, when we used to exchange, I think probably way back in 2017. So Susan has her own YouTube channel now. It's Susan's Heartstrings, and she creates the sweetest, she follows a lot of hashtags, and she creates the sweetest projects. You have to check her out. I participated in February. I haven't been so crafty. I've been super duper busy with life and work and family. The only times that I really have to craft are weekends, and then on weekends I usually spend a lot of time with family. So in February, she had announced that she wanted to do a friendship swap, and it was hashtag friendship swap. And if you're not already a follower of mine from Instagram, I did post on my Instagram a little picture of what I created, as well as a video of what I created. And we, anyone that wanted to participate would send her a message, and she would assign us a person to swap with. So I swapped with Paper Journey, and so I received from Jennifer. So I did create a video of a little something that Jennifer and I, my new pen pal, have started writing to each other, and so hopefully you can check that out. But Susan sent me this surprise happy mail, and I just wanted to unbox it and share with you what she sent me. Thank you, Susan, for sharing some of your favorite teas. It was sent in this really adorable little moon and star little pocket, little mesh pocket. I love it. And Susan sent some Tazo Joy, which is a jubilant blend of black oolong green tea and hints of peach. I'll be sure to try that tomorrow morning. And this one is a combination of cinnamon, chamomile, and lavender. Ooh, thank you so much for sharing these teas. I will be looking forward to trying them soon this week. And she sent a little card. In the front it says Sweet Siv. And she loves her little hearts. This is such a cute. Hi Siv, thank you for joining my tag and tea swap. So happy to have you as my friend. Thank you so much for my beautiful happy mail. Love the stamps, love it all. Love, Susan. I'm so glad that you're going to be enjoying your goodies that I sent you, Susan. And thank you so much for thinking of me and sending me these cuties. So I will open it up. Oh, this is such a cute little washi tape that says, I love you. I love you too, Susan. You are so sweet. And she wrapped it up in, how cute. It's a little memory decks card. Oh, this is so sweet. It's like a little mini gorgeous, not gorgeous, Julie Nutting. It's like a little Julie Nutting doll. How sweet. She has some lace trim here that she adorned with, it looks like heart buttons, maybe, that she applied on top of the memory decks. How cute. And I love the hearts and the little ribbon that she placed here. The blue butterfly. How sweet. And she glittered it up. And this sweet little girl, I love it. Aww. And she layered the background. I love it. Let me see if there's anything. Oh, there's nothing personal, but here she added a little pocket with one of her little handmade bows that maybe her husband helped make as well. She is so cute. I love this little girl stamped. And inside the little pocket are little die cuts and that she's sharing with me. So she sent some die cuts of some flowers. Perfect for spring crafting. Beautiful flowers. And a little, oh, this is such a sweet little rosette. Thank you, Susan. I'll definitely be sure to play with these. Oh, and you sent me another little package. My phone is not zooming in quite, so I apologize if it's blurry. Oh, you sent me a wood block stamp. And how cute. This is a ribbon trim. Is this from Michael's? How cute. I'll be sure to use it on some Easter projects. How adorable. Oh my gosh, this is so sweet. The little poodle, I love it. Oh, this is a rare find and super duper special. Thank you so much, Susan. Oh, I love it. She is a pretty lady walking up and down. I see her in Paris with her poodle, her well-groomed poodle. And I do have two standard poodles. Their names are Nala and Ziva. They're 11 and 13, and they are my fur babies. So I will be enjoying this beautiful wood stamp. And Susan has a hashtag called hashtag stamp play that she's hosting. And I definitely want to participate in that by using this stamp. So thank you so much, Susan. This is extra special. I heart you. This is such a thoughtful, happy mail. I am truly grateful for your friendship, and I'm going to be sending you a letter, especially for April, which is National Card Making Month and National Letter Writing Month. As soon as we finish this video. So thank you so much, Susan, again, and thank you so much, everyone, for watching and stopping by my channel. Please leave me a comment if you'd like, and I will see everybody in the next video. Bye.